Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm going to show you how I whip my butters for my hair and skin. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Come in with some cocoa butter. Next, I'll come in with some shea butter. This is refined shea butter, so it doesn't have the typical, shea butter smell. And I'm using about 400 grams here. Put this on low flame and melt them together. I'll pour the warm oil in a big enough glass bowl. Some argan oil. And finally, I'll come in with my hand mixer and whip this up till it turns fluffy. This will take about 5 minutes. Thick and smooth right now. I'll just pour it into a disinfected container. So yes, that's how I whip my body butter. I also use it for my hair as well. So I mean, it's both good for skin and your hair, especially during the very cold seasons. Add moisture, it seals in the moisture, it gives you that very natural glow. So this heals dry and chapped skin, hence preventing fine lines and wrinkles. So yes, here we are. I hope I did help you. If you want to whip your own butter at home, you can get all these ingredients on Amazon. All right, so if you do give this a try, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.